Hi, today on Gary's Urban Larder, I'm making a salt codfish sandwich, a very well-known dish in Suriname. So it's a Suriname Broodje Bakkeljauw. Let's get started. While our salt cod is being desalinated, removing the salt, we'll make the Zuur, the sour, the pickle. It's just a quick pickle. I've got half a cup of water, half a cup of white vinegar, salt, sugar, and some pickling spices that include some mustard seed, peppercorn, and a star anise. Got our cucumber, and I have some red onion. I'm just going to quickly cut. I don't need much, about that much of the cucumber. And we'll start to get that out of the way. And we'll just use the mandolin to slice it. Just being careful. Slicing this very thinly. This is going to be our accompaniment for our bacalao, for our salt cod. This is really a beautiful sandwich. Let's see, and a little bit more. Okay, I think we have enough now. So, yes, that looks like enough. And now we'll just do our onion, red onion, and we'll slice it thinly right on top. And being very careful, using this without a guard. We don't need a lot of onion, so I've got half a medium red onion. Just thinly slicing that for our pickle. Let's just check. Yes, we probably have enough of the red onion as well. So I'm now just going to take my bowl and just add our cucumber and red onion into this bowl. So that's ready for our pickling. So just going to turn this on now, bring that up to the boil. Well, it doesn't really have to boil, just warm enough to dissolve the salt, the sugar, add our vinegar, and I'll add our pickling spices. So that will just take a couple of minutes to dissolve. Let's give that a stir. So everything dissolves quickly, and then we'll add that to our bowl, let it cool completely, and then chill it. Just finish getting all of that pickling liquid into our cucumber and red onion. So I'm just going to stir that just to make sure it's combined. You'll see I did strain off the pickling spices. All that needs to do now is just to cool, and then we'll chill it. Okay, we've got our salt cod soaking in just clear water. And once that has soaked for 45 minutes, we will rinse it, and we will then add it to our saucepan here. And then we'll add more fresh water. But before doing that, I'll take you through the rest of our ingredients for our salt cod, for our bacalao. I have a spring onion, scallion, green onion that I've sliced the white and some of the green stem, a clove of garlic that I'm going to grate, and I have some red chili that I've chopped and black pepper, which will go. Now, for the sandwich itself to go along with our Zuur, our pickle, I've got some sambal, which is a very, very spicy chili sauce. So we'll add the water to our salt cod. Just want to make sure that it's submerged, and we're going to boil this for 5 minutes to extract more salt, and that's about 1 liter of water. So once it's boiled for 5 minutes, we will then drain it, rinse it again with plenty of cool, fresh, clean water, and then once it's cooled completely, we will flake it. So I'll just get this started on the boil. Okay, we have boiled our salt cod for 5 minutes and a rolling boil, and we've drained it and rinsed it in cool water, and we're just allowing that to cool down. So then we will flake it once it's cool. All right, I've got a iron skillet ready for us to go. Our fish has cooled sufficiently, so I'm just going to flake it up, and it's really pretty simple. So we'll do that, and then we'll add it to our hot pan with some olive oil, and we'll start cooking. Well, our pan is just starting to heat up, and I'm going to add some oil, about 2 tablespoons of oil. And now I'm going to add in our cod. And just want to give that a stir around. And that will stick a little bit to the pan, but eventually it will release. Just give it a little rub. Turn that down just a smidge. That's a technical term, smidge. And now I'm going to add in our onions. Oh, it smells delicious. These onions are caramelizing already. It's really smelling great. Just going to keep scraping the bottom to get the pond off the bottom of the pan. And now I'm going to grate in our garlic. Really the whole clove. Oh. And some of our chilies. I'm not going to do a lot of chili into the bacalhau, the salt cod, because I'm going to add the sambal to the sandwich. So I can smell that garlic, and I think all it needs now is a bit of cracked black pepper. And our Suriname bakkeljauw, salted codfish, is ready to eat. And it looks delicious. So I'm just going to grab our Zuur, our pickle, our quick pickle, and we'll put together our sandwich. Okay, I have our bun, a very soft bun, and I'm just going to load that with the fish mixture. Oh, I'm really looking forward to this. And do look at the link in the description box for Tokoman. And it really is a wonderful little sandwich shop in Amsterdam by the Waterloopplein. Now I'm adding just a bit of our Zuur, our pickle. And finally, some of our pepper sauce, our sambal. Pepper sauce. In Nederlands is slecht. Forgive me for my poor Dutch. Well, there we have a Suriname's Broodje Bakkeljauw, a sandwich of salt codfish, pickle, and pepper sauce. Okay. Oh, this looks absolutely delicious. I took a pretty big bite. It's really delicious. You get the flavor of the cod, the quick pickle, and of course that sambal, that pepper sauce. It is absolutely a beautiful, simple dish reminiscent of the street food in Suriname, and something I first came across when I was living in Amsterdam. Delicious. Give it a try. Well, thank you for joining me today at Gary's Urban Larder. If you enjoyed today's recipe, please give us a thumbs up. And remember to subscribe to the channel, it's free, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a single recipe. And finally, please share this with your friends. It helps to build the community. Until next time, goodbye. Oh, I have to have more.